She do, I do everything. I move everything.
I am not looking for clout, no. I knew I would figure it out. I knew. I took the millionaire route, run it up.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today's video will be part 2 of my Y2K birthday series. Definitely go back and watch the first one, part 1. It'll be listed down below. But I'll be showing you how I'm gonna make these Virgo crystal shorts, kind of juicy couture inspired. And I started off with tracing out the Virgo off my phone and putting it on the back and literally cutting it out, tracing it on the shorts, as you can see here. And these are the crystals that I use. I got these from eBay. Link will be down below. The great part is an iron-on sticky bag. So basically what we're going to do is place the stones where we want them in the line of the Virgo and iron it on. Pretty simple. It's really easy, fun DIY. You don't have to do it with the Virgo. You can do it with any sign. All you have to do is trace it out, put it on there. So when doing this, just make sure that you're doing it on a flat surface and that you're carefully placing the crystals exactly where you want them. You can really use like a crayon, or I just use tweezers, as you can see, to kind of put them into place. Something with wax kind of helps it stay in line better, and you can just push them to the spots where they need to be. Just make sure everything is exactly how you want it before putting the iron to it. And so shout out to all my Virgos too. You know, when I made all of this was around my birthday. It's a little bit later than that, but this series is going to be so fun. It's all Y2K inspired. That was the theme for my birthday when I turned 25. So I'm so excited to show you guys the rest of what's in this series. I got a couple more DIYs coming. So stay tuned and please like, share, and subscribe. And guys, I wanted to tell you that I got these shorts from Shein. The link will be down below. They're only like $5 and they're kind of velvet. They have that velour feel to them, and that's exactly why I got it. I'm telling you, everything was Y2K inspired in the theme, and these turned out perfect. Now, I'm not gonna lie, because of the material, it made it hard for the crystals to stay in place. I just sped this up so you guys can see, but as long as you have them in place before you put the iron to them, once the iron is on it, it does not come off. You can wash these and it won't come up, and it turned out flawless. But keep watching, keep watching. To them, but you don't have to do that. You can do that after each letter. So once you do so, press the iron down on high heat. Make sure you have cloth covering it like I showed you, or just the same material. If you have something longer, you could just fold it over and then iron it, but just leave it on there for a minute or two. Don't go anymore, because ain't no telling what's gonna happen. Ain't no telling. So a minute or so is enough, and the crystals will stick. Now you can always check it like I just did to make sure everything is in place, because if it's not hot enough, they will come off. But if it's hot enough and it's stuck, it's not going anywhere. And voila, look how amazing they turned out. I also did my shirt that I got custom made for my birthday, and I just placed the little rhinestones and the little star looking parts of the airbrush shirt. Again, like I said, you can do this with anything, any logo, add accents, whatever you want. It's gonna stay on there and it's gonna look amazing. If you plan to try this, please comment down below what you would do. But thank you so much for watching.